welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little bit more chill than my usual videos because I'm going to do some makeup organization. So today I want to organize my blush drawer. So I got some new dividers in from TidyUps, which is a company I've worked before, and they sent over their new compact dividers. So I want to reorganize my blushes into those, and I thought I would film that for you because I know you guys love makeup organization as much as I do. I freaking love organizing makeup. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. If you're interested in seeing me organize some makeup, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so this is my makeup collection right here, and in that drawer right there I keep my blushes. So I want to change that and use my new compact organizer, which we will build together. Alright, so this is the box the organizer comes in, and TidyUps actually sent this over to me. This is not a sponsored video. I've worked with them in the past and I didn't have to make this video, but I definitely wanted to because I just freaking adore organizing my makeup. So I will have the price of this on the screen. I don't know by heart, but I know that this is one of the new products that they have out. So this is the card it came with, and here you have some information, and then this is the little note it came with. So it says open here, so that's what we'll do. And then this is what it looks like. So I'm going to get it out of the packaging. Alright, so this is the makeup organization. You do have to build it yourself. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is really tightly wrapped, but I finally found a way in. Alright, so I finally got all of the plastic out. So I am guessing that this goes to the side. Let's see how smart or stupid I am to do this myself. So I am guessing it goes like this. So I'm guessing you start with the outer parts and then work your way in. I don't know. Oh, maybe these are for here. Yep, I think I figured it out. Wait, no, I did not. Yeah, I did. This goes right here. And then this one too. So you have 4 big ones that you put vertically, and then the smaller ones are to use horizontally, I think. Okay, I think I got it. Damn it, I did not. So now all I have to do is add these ones in, which I guess... Wait. I think I have to wait for these. This is a process of trial and error, guys. But I think we have to wait for those. Yeah, okay, now I get it. I think I have it. Okay, and now that we have all those in, I think we can add this. Yep. Alright, we got it. Last one. Alright, we got it. So now what I'm going to do is open up my blush drawer. This is what it is currently looking like. So the goal is to take all of this out and then use the new dividers. So I'm going to start with that. I have so many blushes that are overflowing. Like, I really needed new makeup organization for this drawer, so I am so happy they sent this over. So now I'm going to clean out the drawer, and now we can add this, which should fit perfectly into here, and it does. Like, this is made for this drawer, like literally made for this drawer. And I freaking love this. This looks so organized and neat, and it also feels very high quality. Like, this is definitely some high quality acrylic. So now let's move on to the fun part, which is adding in the makeup. So I will add in my Milani blushes here at the front because they are one of my favorites. Then I have a Primark blush. I have a Natasha Denona bigger blush palette, a Catrice one. I have more Essence. One thing I can already tell you guys is that not everything is going to fit in here. I have too many blushes. So I will put my Wet n Wild blushes in the back. I think I can fit 2 per slot. Yeah, I can. Oh, it goes even deeper. But I want to keep the deepest part for my like non-cruelty free makeup. Right, and then I have so much Essence and Catrice, it's actually insane. Like, I really need to declutter these, but that will be for another video. Alright, then I have my Lorac one, which is one of my faves. What else? A Catrice one. Then we have more Essence and Max and More, which fits perfectly together. Then I have more blush palettes, which I think I will have to put in my drawer below. We will see. Wait, then I have even more Essence. Oh my god. These are like old. Like, this is old school Essence. Alright, so now I am getting to the point where I'm realizing that not all of my blushes are going to fit in here. So I'm going to make a selection of like my bigger blushes to put in here. And then I will have to put the overflow in another drawer. Alright, so now that it is full, this is what it looks like. I still have some overflow blushes, which I will show you guys in a second. But how organized and beautiful does this look? I mean, I'm obsessed. Alright, so this is everything that didn't fit into the drawers. So I will have to add this into my bronzer drawer, I think. But this is what this beautiful drawer looks like so far. So it does go pretty deep into the back, which I can barely reach. So I put my like non-cruelty free blushes in there because I rarely use those. And then right in front I have all of my, or like most of my blushes. So I have a lot of like Essence, Tarte, Milani in the front here. Yeah, we have the Balm, Illamasqua, Primark. I think this looks really neat and organized, so I'm feeling accomplished and I freaking love this. And I love these organizers. I love that you can like take this out or this out. If you take these two out, then you could use this for like palettes or stuff like that. So I love how versatile this organizer is. But yeah, I will have the organizer link down below. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like makeup organization, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you. And I will see you all in my next video. Peace.
Say that it feels right.